Hello everyone, it's me Louie Carpuz. Welcome to Baguio City. Today we're gonna walk. Go at my new haircut. Today we're gonna walk going to Baguio City Market, City Hall, and we will go to Quarry. So let's go. Look at these plants. So we are already here, Upper Market. So let's go. Ukay. So see, Block 3.
Weather information. The latest news on the hour.
Hello everyone, we are here in Burnham Park. This is the fountain area. Look. So here there are a lot of plant displays. Look. Hello, we are going up here, Kisad to Legarda Road. Okay, we're already here in City Camp. We're going to Quarry. Let's go. Okay, we are already near our house in Middle Quarry. It's very hot. Whew. Okay, we have our ukay here, 50 pesos only. Okay, we just arrived here in Middle Quarry. me, Louis Carpuz. So, let's just do this, my low pro backpack. So let's just do a little striking exercises. So fake jab, elbow, fake jab again, jumping downward elbow. Boom. Yeah. So thank you for joining me. More blessings to all of us. Thank you for the support. Your support here in my channel.